Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon, but if it's Amazon, I'll leave my affiliate link down below. And if it's a website, I'll leave it also. Either or, hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Both links will be safe to click. And you can see what other goodies they have to offer right now. We shall see what's inside. Here we go. Alrighty, guys. I got a bunch of boxes. So far, this says MoGo number 4. Ooh la la. And this looks like a power base stand for a MoGo 4 series. I think that's a projector all the way down. And we also get a magnetic creative filter pack, 3-pack. So we shall see what this is all about. Oh, baby. This is coming from XGIMI. This is Google TV. Netflix. Harman, Kardon is the sound. Amazing sound quality. I know Harman pretty well. MoGo 4 portable 1080p projector. There's a lot of good movies coming out on the streaming services you can watch, especially on Max with Minecraft coming out and all this. Well, so that's what those are for. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be cool. So great for college dorms, house parties. You get the whole package right here. See these 3 boxes? This is gonna be magnetic creative filter 3-pack. So you get 3. It's kind of hard to do it one hand. There we go. Hopefully this one's already open. Nope. I think they're different shapes of like the sun. Stuff like that. Let me put you guys down. There we go. Free my hands. Ooh. It's like this. And the stand was easy to put together. Look at this thing. XGIMI. Enriches your life. I can't read what that says. Oh, that says same thing. Projector. Oh. I think you put it over that. Got some kind of connectors right there. This is nice. Something new, something different. Hook up your video games. Nintendo Switch 2. Xbox, PS5. PC. Whoa. Thought it was cracked for a second, but it's like a wave. Yeah, it's like a 3D mold. Really cool. Alright, the whole video you're going to see it at the end. So you might want to skip this part. But unless you want to see what it comes with before you buy. But we'll test it all out. Picture quality and everything in this video. It might be a long one, but it's going to be worth it. And now here are the tripod or the stand. It goes with the USB cord all the way up to the top. As you guys can see there. I'll bring it down a little bit for you. It's easy. It's heavy. So you can knock somebody out. See it's right here. Do. Twist, twist, twist. Make sure it's locked in good. And here are the USB ports. There we go. Solid stand. Really nice. I don't know the price off the top of my head, but definitely click the link. Check it out. But I think this is a website, so I'll leave that down below. You guys could click it. I don't think they're on Amazon yet. think this is new or coming out. But definitely excited for this one. I have a lot of projectors, but this one stands out the most so far. A lot of cool features this thing can do. Like I said, you can use it as a light for your study time, or just to, you know, space out and relax. Read a book, play some games on your portable. Right there. Definitely nice colors. I like the silver and the orange. Could watch the games tomorrow with the hockey, or today. Game 6, I think it is. Of the Stanley Cup. And baseball, of course. Wrestling. Whoa. It's like a boombox. It has some kind of shutter key on it. Oh, yeah, we're going to be here for a while. Hooking this thing up. So the video will be out later today. But you guys won't know that. It'll be up. Make sure everything's out. There's the remote. For some reason it's stuck in there. Get out. Ooh, this is fancy. I think I got, oh, no, power cord. There we go. Now we got everything. Whoa, this is like a cell phone charger brick. There we go. We got some batteries. That's a good thing. Make sure you throw this right away. Make sure your kids or cats, animals don't eat it. I'm not sure what it does to you. Don't want to find out. You know what I mean? There we go. Bada boom, bada bing. That's going to be a sweet thing. Then we got the holiday June 19th coming up. So right here is 2.5 hour built-in battery, compact size, 2 6-watt built-in speakers, cinematic audio experience. Ooh. 360 stand, we saw that. 450 ISO lumens, private theater on the go. Intelligent screen adaptation. Oh, this would be sweet. You can bounce it off the walls or whatever you use. But I got a screen downstairs, like 120 inch, I think. So we'll test it out on that. Magnetic, creative filter, snap on, vibe out. Whoa. Go from movie screen to the party scene. Huh. Even has a light. Speaker mode, ambient light. Match the mood of the party. All one vibe machine. So we're calling it a vibe. MoGo. MoGo vibe. Alright, now I guess you want to see the accessories. Like I said, I'm liking this remote. A lot of options you get with this package deal. I think it's a combo. But you might have to buy them individually. I'm not sure. Maybe because I'm a reviewer. But double click that link. And you guys will find out. Look at this. Nice little remote. Feels good. It's like a vinyl record. Really nice. Netflix shortcut Prime Video. You can do the Google thing. Google Voice. Not sure what this is. USB or another filter. Ooh. So you get like 4 filters. That's a good deal. See, magnetic right there. Nice. That's all right. We got a thick manual. Might want to skim it over. Now here is the main attraction. The MoGo. XGIMI. XGIMI. There's a Harman Kardon speakers, power USB. I think this is a protective grill. Here's a light down here. And here's that little shutter thing. That's really cool. Yep, you gotta pull the tab. A little pull tab right on top here. Go boop. The wee woos. There we go. Alright, we got it. Battery for the remote. Put that there. I think I'm gonna leave it on for now. Should turn it on. Okay, I gotta plug it in. That might help. I'm getting too excited over here. Definitely check them out though. Great for Christmas gifts for this upcoming holiday season. And any birthday gifts or housewarming gifts, bar mitzvahs, you name it. Okay. We got it. We got it. Plug it in the wall. Boom. Light this on. Ah. Whoa. That's speaker. Okay. Hold up. Let me figure this out. Holy moly. Look at this little thing. Kind of looks like a camera, laser, cannon. Look at that. We got USBs right there. HDMI. I think I got it backwards. I don't even know how I'm supposed to do this thing. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Now that looks a little bit better. Look at that. Kind of see it adjusting itself right now. Always the ceiling's a good spot. Like I said, you go up your laptop, do some work. I can't see. So now, how do I turn this light on? This little guy. Okay, let's shut it off. Is it on the bottom? Huh? Got Harman Kardon everywhere. Very nice. Whoa. Okay, it is backwards. So I go like this. Here we go. Yeah. Whoa. Check that out. That is amazing. I'm afraid to do videos because of the copyright, so you're going to have to take my word on this. Amazing, clean, crisp picture quality on this. All the colors pop. And it's on the ceiling. And it's not even like special paint, just normal home paint. Here's the remote. It's already programmed. Like I said, I could do the voice activation mode. I'm gonna set that up. So I'm gonna add this video in 2 parts. We'll be back. Alright, YouTubers, here we go. We got it all hooked up. Look at this. No projector screen. Just a normal white wall. This thing's amazing, see? There's my little TV for my games. And now I might have to use this. And I have it right there. Position. And now we're going to switch the filters. It is really cool. But I mean, look at this quality. Amazing quality. And the sound is amazing. Harman Kardon speakers. Listen to that. And that's not even full blast. And there's a little clicker. And I'm running DirecTV off of it right now, so what you can see right off. Yeah, hands down the best projector I have right now. So if you're looking for a good deal, check them out. Link in bio, Amazon. Here we go, filter time. Now you can see right here these two magnetic supports right there. Just want to do that. And you can hear it click. There you go, there's a beep. Now watch. Boom. So that would be good enough lighting. Let me turn off the light. Look at that. Super bright. And there's different ones you could choose. And it plays music. Hopefully that's not copyrighted. It's like a just calm and relaxing music to chill out. Read a book. Do whatever you gotta do. It is that time. Here we go. Next we're gonna try this one. You can see right there the two prongs. And make sure you connect it. Right there. Then kind of like ocean waves. That's cool. So maybe for like a kid's nursery. Here we go. And you can use a remote to change it. That's really cool. So, definitely some cool stuff. Ooh. Now, definitely curious to see how this one looks. Has had like 3D printed shattered glass. Really cool. Here we go. Kind of like a white smoke. And now whoa. That one's cool. Then you can take them off and replace them with the normal projector, so definitely check them out. Like I said, link is going to be in the bio. Thank you guys at XGIMI for sending me this MoGo. You guys gotta go. See you soon.